State-level International Day of Persons with Disabilities was observed by Social Welfare Department, Government of Manipur at Iboya Sumangila Sanglen, Imphal today. The program was held on the theme Promoting the Participation of Persons with Disabilities and Their Leadership, taking action on the 2030 Development Agenda. Spastic Society of Manipur observed the International Day of Persons with Disabilities 2019 at Tapokpi Bazaar today. The program was organized on the theme Promoting the Participation of Persons with Disabilities and Their Leadership, taking action on the 2030 Development Agenda. District Social Welfare Department Technopol also observed International Day of Persons with Disabilities at the Community Hall of Chavangphai Village, More Ward No. 7. Shanmuga Subramanian, the engineer from Chennai who had looked at the lander of India's second moon mission Chandrayaan-2, has said that he spent many nights probing a picture of the impact site shared by US Space Agency NASA. Subramanian believes that the crash landing of Vikram lander made more people interested in the moon mission. The 33-year-old information technology professional said the crash landing certainly got him interested. Before leaving for New Delhi for a consultative meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah over the issue of Citizenship Amendment Bill, a 9-member team of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill Manpack today shout blessings of Khoiraman Goddess at Khoiraman Ima Market, Imphal. A combined team of Thoubal District Police and 26 Assam Rifles busted a brown sugar laboratory and arrested 2 persons in Thoubal District. The security forces also seized huge catch of brown sugar from their possession. 7th Winter Exhibition for Differently Abled Persons kicked off at Ideal Club Complex at Tera today, organized by Relief Center for the Welfare of Differently Abled Persons, Manipur. CAF and PD Labourers Welfare Association states a sit-in protest at FCI Depot Sangaipuro, Imphal today, demanding a ban on NR Mathai enterprises. The association had given a deadline of December 2nd to initiate action against enterprises for allegedly violating the rights of labourers. In continuation of temporary Mau market in various parts of the state, Mau Imphal Marketing Coordinating Committee, Progressive Youth Association Oinam and Oinam Municipal Council today arranged a makeshift Mau market at Oinam Kaitel. An explosion of a suspected smoke grenade at a park near Indonesia's presidential palace in the heart of the capital injured at least 2 military personnel today, Jakarta's police chief said, according to media reports. However, President Joko Widodo was not at the palace at the time, a presidential spokesperson said.